Welcome to Networking Basics. Hello and welcome to episode 3 of Networking Basics, where we'll explore 4 fundamental network protocols: ARP, DHCP, DNS, and ICMP. First up is ARP, or Address Resolution Protocol. It translates IP addresses into physical MAC addresses, allowing devices on a local network to communicate directly. Next, DHCP, the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, automatically assigns IP addresses and other network configuration parameters to devices joining a network. DNS, the Domain Name System, acts like the Internet's phone book, translating human-readable domain names like example.com into machine-readable IP addresses. Finally, ICMP, or Internet Control Message Protocol, is used by network devices to send error messages and operational information, like when a requested service isn't available or a host cannot be reached. Understanding these protocols is crucial for grasping how networks function. They work tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure seamless communication. Thank you for watching.